Hi everyone. In this video, we'll look at how we can use something known as Fillout with our Airtable forms, or as an alternative to our Airtable forms. Obviously, Airtable natively doesn't give all those features which actually form softwares like Fillout give. Okay, so we'll look at what are those options and features which Fillout gives, and which obviously you cannot do with native Airtable forms. So this video is related to that. And by the way, I am Romit. We are an AI automations agency helping businesses organize and automate with no-code tools like Airtable, Make, Zapier, etc. So if you want to understand how you can increase efficiency in your business, organize your business in a better way, hop on a call with me. Link is there in the description, and I'll be happy to help you. Yeah, coming back to the video, let me quickly share my screen and look at the base we have here in Airtable. So it's an order management base containing tables like contacts, containing personal details of those contacts. And these contacts belong to a particular company, in this case, ABC and Epicenter. And then you have products being sold by the store for which we created this base. uh, Product category, orders placed by those contacts with the company, and obviously linking between orders and products happen with order line item, which we have looked at in another video why this junction table is required. You have payments table, which is not required for this particular video, and then you have a feedback table. So in this video, we'll see how we can create a feedback form where we are trying to gather feedback from these contacts whom we have interacted with, who have placed orders with us. And idea is that we start with them filling that form, and when they fill the form, they will be given an option to select the company. And when they select the company, they should be able to select or see only the contacts from that company. They shouldn't be able to see contacts from all the other companies uh, which this particular store has worked with. Okay, so that is something natively is difficult to do with Airtable forms. Okay, and then other options, like they could select the product they like the most, the overall experience, and so on and so forth. Okay, so let's quickly go to fill out. Let me go to the home page here. I want to create a new form here. Uh, so they give an option directly to create an Airtable form. Okay, let me choose a plain theme. I can select various themes which the form could have. Okay, so in this scenario, I'm going with the plain theme, and then you have to connect to Airtable. Okay, so this connection you have to make once, and then you can use that connection for that base time and again when you want to create a form for that base. So in this case, order management is the base. I have to grant access to this base, and the last step is to obviously the base which would come here would be order management only, and the table for which we want to create this form is of course the feedback table. So let's quickly click on this create form. Let me call this feedback form. Let's click on continue, and then you see all these different options on the left which you can drag and drop. The options at the top like heading, image, divider, banner, video, etc. help you uh, you know help you in the display part of the form. You can put the logo, you can put the banners, etc. With respect to the fields which are coming in the form, as I mentioned, we start with the company. So those contacts whom we are sharing the form with, and gathering the feedback, they have to first select their company, where they come from, and then their own name in that company. Okay, so second option obviously would be the contacts field, and then which product they like the most can come. How was their overall experience? This is a single select box. And when they basically when they select custom, then only we should show this custom long text box. Okay, and at the end, date of feedback can come. So let's see, what are the options coming in on the company side of things. So since we have a linked relation, you know, with the contacts table here, with each record linked only to one contact. Okay, that is why those contacts would appear here. Similarly, we have a linked relationship in the feedback table with the company table, with one linking per record. Okay, and then you have something known as auto number here, and there is a feedback number, which is nothing but a formula 2000 plus auto number. Which product you liked, date of feedback is a date field, overall experience is a single select field here, and custom feedback is a long text. Okay, I'm just going through the schema so that you know you are clear with what we are going to get there in the fill out form. And which product you liked is a linking between the products table with multiple linking disabled again, so you can select only one product here. Let me go back to the fill out. Okay, so when I select, let's say somebody, we are sharing the form to all the contacts, and somebody from Epicenter AI is filling that form out. Then he clicks on contact, he should be able to see his name. But here, as you can see, he's seeing contacts from other companies as well, which is little bit not consistent with what we want. Okay, so if it's uh, Epicenter, he should only see Aman and Sudeep. Okay, there in the drop down. So this particular condition is not possible with native Airtable forms. But let's see if this is possible with fill out here. So at the right side, you have something like logic you can apply on hide and show, conditional logic. You can create new records, button display, where you can change the button text and change button text. And then you have advanced options, where again you can select fields to show, fields to search by, and then you have the add filters option. So to do this, and then you have validation as well, which we are not taking in this video. So this particular thing you can accomplish by adding filters option, where uh, we are looking at the company, and when they select a particular company, so here we have all these options coming in. We have to select from that page whatever company they selected. We need to get the contacts from that company only. So company equals the name of that company. Okay, so that is the filter we are giving on this particular option here. And since they are linked, so only the contacts belonging to that company should show. So in the contacts, you have a linking with the company table. Okay, each contact belongs to one company here. Okay, because of that linking, this particular scenario should work. So whatever company I selected in this page, contacts on those companies only should be filtered out. That is the meaning of that filter. Okay, so that filter we have already applied. This is done. Here we don't want to do anything. When I click on add product, it will give me all the products, and the person can select whatever product he liked the most from the store. Overall experience, all these options are fine. When you select custom option, then only I should see this long text. Otherwise, this shouldn't be visible for other options. So the way to do that would be to go to the custom feedback field, click on logic. So as I mentioned, in the logic, you can hide and show conditionally. So show this field when set conditional logic, add condition, again page, uh, overall experience equals custom. So show this only when it is equal to custom, the previous field. Okay, done. So we have applied the conditional logic as well for hide and show of this record here. Okay, and then date of feedback is a date field anyway. So we have applied couple of conditions here, one under advanced settings, one under logic on this form. And let's quickly preview this to see if it is working the way we wanted it to. So let's say I click on company, it is giving me the two companies. Let's see if it is giving contacts of only that company, Samar and Aditi Singh. Let's quickly cross check. Samar and Aditi, Adit, Samar and Adit belong to ABC Private Limited, so it's coming correctly. Uh, let's check add product. It's giving those products. I can select one product. Overall experience. Currently, I don't see custom uh, feedback field here. Let's click on custom. Then when I click on custom, I see this custom feedback field. Okay, let me give this feedback, and let's say date of feedback is 10th of January. Now let me submit this data. Okay, so I am able to submit this data. Let's go back to feedback and see if the data was submitted. So I selected Samar Kumar. He selected this product, custom feedback. This was the feedback he gave. So we see the data coming in, properly. Let's exit this preview. So which means the whatever conditions we applied are working fine. So now we can go ahead and publish this form. And there are different ways in which you can basically share this form link. You can copy this link and share it with those contacts from whom you're gathering the feedback, or you can embed this form. uh, you know when you click on this option, you will get this div script which you can put inside your HTML. Okay, and obviously you will also get the form link under the share tab. Okay, so under the integration, it gives us the integrations. Here we have integrated with Airtable, and then under share, it gives us options of how we can share this form with people. And under the results, it gives the results option, what all uh, submits happened on this form till now. And on edit, you can go ahead and edit the form as well in the future if you require. And then in the settings, you have some advanced options. So this is what actually I wanted to cover in this video. Uh, Hope this video was informative, and I was able to convey how Fillout helps you in creating more robust forms uh, with Airtable as your primary automation tool. Uh, so yeah, that's it for this video. And of course, if you want to have a one-on-one discovery call on how we can automate your business, improve your efficiency, reduce your costs, hop on for a call with me. Link is there in the description, and I'll be happy to help you. Like and subscribe, and goodbye for now, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.